Hey guys, this is how to fully verified with student ID in GCash account. So first thing that you will do is open up your Google Play Store and search for GCash over here. And guys, make sure you have the latest version of the GCash. And now open up the GCash application on your device. And after that, just simply go ahead and go over here to the help center down below. And now guys, from here, tap on your account. And from here, tap on verify your account. And tap on get a fully verified GCash account. And just simply scroll down guys. And from here, just simply tap on list of valid ID to get verified. And just simply scroll down again. And after that, just simply tap on unable to proceed with verifying your GCash account over here. And just scroll down again and tap on error message and tap on submit a ticket here. So from here, just simply provide your email address over here and scroll down and provide your GCash registered full name and scroll down and just simply provide the GCash number that you registered with and the mobile number that you have and your account type. And after that, just tap on ID submitted for verification. So just simply tap on others. And from here, just simply provide over here student ID. And now from here, guys, just simply provide the details so GCash support can help you. So just simply say, I want my GCash account to be fully verified by using my student ID and just simply explain furthermore. So I'm just gonna explain a little bit just for this video and just simply scroll down, and from here you can actually add a file or a screenshot, and after that, once you are done, you can just tap on submit, and from there guys, after at least 24 hours, GCash will send you an email on how they can solve this issue for you and how they can help you verifying your account with your student ID. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!